Hello guys, welcome back. This video is the continuation of the last video, or S10. In the last video we successfully fetched historical candlestick data, then we plotted in the chart and also stored candles data in CSV file. We use this function to get historical candlestick data, and I showed you how to get candlestick data using the default values like this. I ended the video prematurely without showing how to get candlestick data for different time frames with for different time frames and different assets or currency pairs without default values like this. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to get like candlestick data for different currency pairs with different parameters. This video is going to be short, so now let's get started. So we are going to utilize the same function this time. Okay, so this function accepts three arguments or parameters. So assets name count is the number of candlestick bars, and size is the time frame, right? So what I'm going to do is, instead of size, I'm going to rename it to time frame, so that uh, anybody can easily understand this. Okay, this is for time frame, right? Okay, now instead of default values, let's pass argument from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to define variable with assets. Like this time I want to get candlestick for USD JPY. Okay, and for regular USD JPY pair we need to suffix with OP, right? In case of OTC we need to make this to capital OTC. Okay, so most of the options trading available are OTC pairs with some regular currency pairs, right? Here you can clearly see, right? Like all of them, almost all of them are OTC OTC assist with some regular forex assist, right? Okay, so this is the option trading options underlying list, right? This is for digital option, binary option, list, and turbo options, right? And here you can see this is how the name so this is how this name should be, right? For OTC, and for regular forex pair this needs to be euro JPY dash OP, or other regular currency pair dash OP, right? So this time we'll get the candlestick data for regular USD JPY pair, and the count, or the thing it accepts is count, or the number of candles. So I'm going to assign it variable called candles count, and let's say I want to get 100 candlesticks. Okay, and another thing that needs to be defined is the time frame. Okay, and this time I want to get 5-second candlestick data. Okay, other thing that you can do is, instead of assigning variable like this, you can directly pass these values here, but you have to make sure the first thing is the first thing well, actually all of these okay, so all of these are keyword arguments, so no need to worry about like anything. You can, like, you cannot pass it as argument, as a positional argument like this anymore, because we have defined assist name as keyword argument, right? So in order to pass uh, the value inside this bracket, this needs to be this way, and the candle counts this way, and the time frame this way. Other thing is, since these are keyword argument, you can pass this argument like randomly. It does not have to be like time frame at the end, candles count in the middle, and assist name at first. Like, since these are positional argument, we can randomly pass the values. Here you can see in the function we have the first defined assist name, count, and time frame, right? If we had not given default value, we would have to pass these things as a personal argument, and this had to be passed in sequence, like first assist name, then count, and the time frame. But since these are keyword argument, pass it randomly, so not a big deal. So since we have already assigned variable, so instead of keyword argument, I'm simply going to pass assist. Okay, actually this needs to be this. Okay, so assist needs to be assist. Okay, and then count. Okay, keyword name is count needs to be candles count, and time frame is going to be time frame. Okay, so this is how you can pass the values, right? I'm going to delete this candle dot csv data. Okay, and then I'm going to run the script. This time we are uh, going to get USD regular currency pair candlestick data, hundreds bar, and time frame is 5-second candle. So we're going to get 5-second, 100 of 5-second candle for USD right? Now let's run the script. Okay, so this is the USD pair. I'm going to get rid of these indicators, right? And I'm going to convert chart to 5-second time frame. Okay, so this is how it looks in 5 seconds. Okay, so we have encountered an error, and it says iqoption API dot get candle history got unexpected keyword argument assist. Okay, so actually this needs to be assist name. Okay, so type there, right? Let's run the script again. Okay, so we have got the candles data, hundreds of 5-second candles for USD right? Let's see if it's same in iqoption or not. So it's the same, right? Okay, so it's the same data, and we got okay, just a moment. Okay, I think it's not the same. So this and then this fall, right? And then this. Oh, okay, so we got candles up to here, right? Up to this point. I was a bit confused. I will run one more time just to ensure like we're getting the right candles data. We should be getting the right candles data, like as we already did in the last video, right? Just want to ensure it. Perfect, looks same, right? I'm going to make it little bigger, right? See these pin bar candles, and then long bullish candle, right? And then pin bar, bearish doji, and then bearish candle, and these two white shoulder, right? Okay, so we're getting the right data, right? Okay, so this is how we can get the candles for different currency pair. Now if you want to get like candles for, let's say, euro USD OTC, this is all you need to do, right? Other things, right? You can tweak it as for your need. Maybe you want to get like 50 candles only, or maybe let's say 20 candles only, and instead of 5 second, I want to get 10-second candles. Okay, so the time frame needs to be in second. Okay, now I will okay, let's select Euro USD OTC. Okay, so this is how Euro USD OTC looks, chart looks, right? Now let's run the script. Let's see how OTC chart will be printed in our chart. Okay, see, this is how OTC chart looks in our chart. So, okay, this one. Okay, so here it says, okay, so we're getting bit different data here, right? Okay, so it's plotted bit differently. So Euro USD chart looks bit, OTC chart looks bit different. Let's turn it into 1 minute candle, and let's try to get 60-second candle, right? 20 bars. Let's see how it looks for 1 minute, because for 5 seconds it looked a bit different than in iqoption. Okay, for 1 minute, okay, for 1 minute you can see this big down bearish candle, right? And then these candles, bullish candle with lower long wick, right? And then this and this candle looks exactly same as this. Okay, so we're getting the right, like right data, but for 5 seconds it looked a bit off than in iqoption platform, right? So not a big deal. Okay, so this is how, like, we can get candles data for different currency pair. Here, like, you there are 173 call assist. Okay, you can get candles for any of these. All you have to do is pass the name that's available in this underlying list dictionary, right? And you'll get the data. Okay, and you can, if you want to get for 5 minutes, you need to like type 300, right? If you want to get for 10 minutes, this needs to be 600, right? So these are the seconds, right? So I will set this to 60, not a big deal. Okay, 60-second 20 candle for Euro USD OTC. And one last thing I'm going to do is, instead of storing candle as candles.csv, this time this function save candles to CSV, it accepts two arguments, candles data and file name. Right now we're using the default file name, so instead of default file name we can pass a dynamic file name this way, right? So this needs to be keyword arguments, so file name, right? And I'm going to pass it as, and I'm going to pass this assist, right? So now if you make it to EuroJPY, it becomes EuroJPY. If you type Euro OTC Euro USD OP, it becomes the candlestick CSV file name becomes uh, as like the assist name with .csv extension, right? Okay, all looks good. Okay, I'll run the script one last time, or maybe a couple of times, to show you how it looks for different currency pair, right? Okay, so this time we must get a candle CSV file as EURUSD-OTC.csv. Okay, and here you can see the file name EURUSD-OTC-CSV, right? Or actually, let's do one thing. Instead of doing like this, we'll simply pass the file name, right? Simply pass the file name, and actually I will make file name dynamic here. .csv, right? Now we don't need to do like .csv and string formatting here and here. It will be done in one place, okay, and nowhere else. Okay, this time let's get data for Euro USD OP. That this is for regular Euro USD pair, right? Not OTC, regular Euro USD pair. Okay, running the script. This is how the chart looks for regular Euro USD, right? And we're getting 20 bars, 20 bars, right? Okay, so this is the data, right? This is the candles. We're getting the right candles and also the file name. You can see Euro USD OP. So this is for OTC, right? This candlestick data for Euro USD OTC, and this is for Euro USD OP or regular market. All right, so that's all in this video. In the next video we will probably get live candlestick data. We'll do like live candlestick streaming, because some of you might have a strategy uh, based on live candlestick data, so we will be doing that in the next video or so. Okay, I'm just making one small change here. uh, After we successfully log in, I want to print like this, okay, just to make sure, like, just to get clear message that login was successful. Let me show you how this looks. Okay, so before WebSocket open, we will get something like logged in successfully to iqoption. Okay, so from now on we will do a little bit of code modification as well. We'll do like some of refactoring bit by bit. Okay, and by the end of the series we'll have proprietary version of the code. See, logged in successfully to iqoption. All right, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.